of January 2021. Alright? So for today's lesson, we're going to talk about letter C, comparing the duration of time. Okay? So we've done telling the time and writing the time in numerals and reading them. So comparing, we are going to take a look which which activity takes longer and shorter. Okay, which time is the shortest time and the longest time of specific activity. Okay, so here we have a problem. Okay, we will compare the length of time of each person takes in going to the exhibition. Okay, so Sally left home at 07:40 hours. So this one is in 24-hour system. Okay, 07:40 hours and took 1 hour 27 minutes to reach an exhibition. Okay, exhibition. It's a display of work. That is exhibition. Somsak left home at 07:55 hours. Okay, the same, it's 24-hour system. And arrived at the exhibition at 09:15 hours. Okay, who took a longer time to reach the exhibition? Okay, so we're going to solve the problem looking who took a longer time. Okay, longer time to reach the exhibition. Okay, let's analyze here. Sally took 1 hour 27 minutes to reach the exhibition, right? Okay, 1 hour and 27 minutes. That is Sally. What about Somsak? How long did Somsak took in the exhibition? Okay, so Somsak left home at 07:55. So this is the clock showing 07:55 hours, right? And arrived at the exhibition at 09:15 hours. So this is the clock for 09:15 hours. Meaning to say, from 07:55 hours to 09:15 hours, the duration, okay, the length of between the two time is 1 hour 20 minutes. How come? Okay, let's take a look. From 07:55 to 08:55 hour, that is 1 hour, isn't it? Right? From 07:55 hours to 08:55 hours, that is equal to 1 hour, right? H, we can write H as an abbreviation for hour, okay? 1 hour, right? And then from 08:55 hours until 09:15. Okay, let's count. 08:55, so that is 5 minutes. That will be that would be 9 o'clock, okay? In 12-hour system. But this is in 24-hour system. Okay, let me repeat. 08, right? 08:55 hours, right there. So it goes to 12, that is already 9 o'clock. 5 minutes, 10, 15, 20. So that is 09:15 hours. So it takes 20 minutes more until 09:15 hours. Okay? So 1 hour plus 20 minutes. MIN, meaning to say minutes. Okay? is minute. We read it as minute. Okay? So 1 hour plus 20 minutes equals 1 hour 20 minutes. Right? 1 hour 20 minutes. Okay. Now let's see that Somsak took 1 hour 20 minutes to reach the exhibition. Okay, that is Somsak. While Sally took 1 hour 27 minutes to reach the exhibition. Okay, now we compare. We compare 1 hour 27 minutes, 1 hour 20 minutes. Who took longer? So which time is longer? 1 hour 27 minutes or 1 hour 20 minutes? Right? Okay, 1 hour and 27 minutes is the longer time. Alright? Now let's see the difference. Let's see the difference. Okay, right there, both 1 hour, right? 1 hour, 1 hour. Right? 1 hour, 1 hour. 27 minutes, 20 minutes. Okay, to get the difference, we are going to subtract, of course. 27 minus 20 equals 7. Okay, so the difference is 7 minutes. Okay, let's answer the questions. Who took a longer time to reach the exhibition? Okay, Sally took 7 minutes more, isn't it? Sally took 7 minutes more than Somsak to reach the exhibition, right? Sally 1 hour 27 minutes, so 7 minutes more, longer, okay? Somsak took 7 minutes less because shorter time, okay? 7 minutes less than Sally to reach the exhibition, okay? So the final question, who took a longer time? Who took a longer time to reach the exhibition? Who? Is it Sally or Somsak? Sally or Somsak? Of course, Sally took a longer time to reach the exhibition. 7 minutes more. Okay? Right. Next one. Next problem. Eden, David, and Abe started to play computer games at 3:25 p.m. Okay, this one is in 12-hour system. Yeah, do you notice why? We have the word p.m. Okay, post-meridian, a.m., ante-meridian, morning. Okay, so meaning to say in the afternoon, p.m. Eden played computer games for 1 hour, 25 minutes. Okay, this is the length of time. David and Abby finished playing computer games at 4:45 p.m. So that is David, the first one. David, 4:45 p.m. and Abby, 4:34 p.m. respectively. Now arrange them in ascending order. Now, guys, do you remember ascending order? What does it mean? The numbers are arranged from smaller to bigger numbers. Okay? So, for you to easily remember, ascending, up, going up, right? Going up, ascending. Okay? From the smaller to the bigger, that is ascending. Starting from the one who took the shortest time to play computer games. Okay? Now, so let's see. Okay, the first one, Eden. Okay, Eden. How long did Eden took to play computer games? Eden played computer games for 1 hour 25 minutes. Okay? 1 hour 25 minutes. So from 3:25 p.m. to 4:25 p.m. that is 1 hour. Right? 1 hour. He stopped at 4:50 p.m. So from 3:25 p.m. to 4:25 p.m., that is 25 minutes, right? So 1 hour, we already know 1 hour is equivalent to 60 minutes, right? So 1 hour equals 60 minutes plus, let me write down, 1 hour, that is Eden, okay? Eden, 1 hour, 25 minutes, okay? That is equivalent to 60 minutes plus 25 equals 85 minutes. Alright? So Eden played computer games for 85 minutes. We converted hour to minutes. Next, David. How long did he take to play computer games? From 3:25 p.m. he stopped at 4:45 p.m. Okay, let's see the duration. 3:25 p.m. to 4:25 p.m. that is 1 hour again. Okay, 1 hour. So from 25 p.m. to 4:45 p.m. that is 20 minutes. Alright? So let's see. 4, I'm going to show you how. 4:45, the time he started. He stopped. And 4:25, the time he started. Okay? You are going to subtract to get the difference. 0, that is 2. Okay, 20 minutes. That's how we got 20 minutes. Okay? So 1 hour, 20 minutes for David. Okay? Let me erase again. David. The second boy was David. Okay? David, 1 hour, 20 minutes. How many minutes? We converted 60. Again, 60 plus 20. That is equal to 80 minutes. Okay? Yeah, so David played computer games for 80 minutes. And the last boy, that is Abe. How long did he take playing computer games? Okay, so Abe started at 3:25 p.m. Okay, Abe started 3:25 p.m. and he stopped at 4:34 p.m. Again, how did we get the difference? Okay, 3:25 p.m. to 4:25 p.m. that is 1 hour, right? 3:25, 4:25, 1 hour. All right. So from 4:25 p.m. to 4:34 p.m. How did we get that? 4:34. That's the time he stopped. And 4:25, the time he started. Okay? So 4 minus 5 cannot be borrow. That will become 14. That is 2. Alright. 14 minus 5. That is 9. Okay? 0. Never mind. Alright? So that's how we got 9. Okay? 9 minutes. Alright? So from 4:25 p.m. to 4:34 p.m. that is 9 minutes. Alright? So let's say Abe took 1 hour, 9 minutes. Okay, 1 hour, 9 minutes. Convert. Let's convert that into minutes. 1 hour is 60 minutes plus 9 minutes. That is equal to 69 minutes. Okay? 69 minutes. Alright. Now, we are ready to compare who took the longer time. And then, we're going to erase that time into, from a ascending order, from the smaller to, or from the shortest time to the longest time. Okay, so 85 minus 80. Who's 85 again? 85 is Eden, and 80 is David. Okay, so Eden and David. 85 minus 80, that is 5 minutes. So meaning to say, Eden took 5 minutes more than David. Okay, Eden took 5 minutes longer than David to play computer games. Alright, what about, who is 80 again? David, right? 80 minutes, David, and 69 minutes is Abe. So we subtract. 80 minus 69 is equal to 11 minutes. Okay? So the difference, 11 minutes. So meaning to say, Abe took 11 minutes less. Okay? Shorter. Less than David to play computer games. Okay, the final question was, who took the shortest time? Who took the shortest time? Look at this. Who took the shortest time? The shortest is Abe. Okay, so Abe took the shortest time, 69 minutes. Who took the longest time? 85, that is Eden. Eden took the longest time to play computer games. What about if we compare David and Abe? David took longer time than Abe. And David and Eden, who took the shorter time? David took shorter time than Eden. Alright? Okay, arrange this time from shortest time to the longest time. Okay, shortest is Abe. Okay, Abe, 69 minutes. And then next is David. David is 80 minutes, right? At the middle, David, 80 minutes. And the longest time, Eden, 85 minutes. Alright? Okay. So let's take this example. Let's take this example using, page 130. Let me erase this. Okay, let us read. Judy and Jesse went to the library together at 2:10 p.m. Judy left the library at 4:45 p.m. Jesse spent 2 hours 15 minutes in the library. We spent more time in the library. More time or longer. Okay? So let's do our working. Right? Working. Practice number 1. Alright? So let's write down here. Jesse, 2 hours and 15 minutes. And then Judy, let's find out. Okay? So that is 2:10 p.m. to 4:45 p.m. Okay, we are using the 12-hour system this time. Okay? Now let's subtract this. 4:45 minus 2:10. What is the difference? What is the difference? Okay? And, alright, so the difference, 2 hours and 35 minutes. Okay, let's show the, let's sketch. Okay, this one is Jessie. Okay, so Jessie, 2:10 p.m. So she started here until 4:10 p.m. So that is 2:10, 3:10, 4:10. 2 hours. Okay? 2 hours. And then next, because both of them stop at 4:45 p.m. Right? Okay, so that is 4:45 p.m. Okay? 4:10, 25 minutes. Alright? Next one is Judy. Judy, the same. She started at 2:10 p.m. until 4:10 p.m. That is 2 hours also. 2 hours. And then she stopped at 4:45. Same time. 4:45, that is 35 minutes. Alright? Okay. 2 hours and 15 minutes for Jessie. Okay. Alright, Judy took 2 hours. 2 hours and 35 minutes. Okay? 2 hours and 35 minutes. Alright? So the question, who spent more time in the library? Who spent more time in the library? Is it Jessie or Judy? Alright? So Judy, 2 hours and 35 minutes. Meaning to say, Judy spent more time in the library. Okay? So Judy, please write down there in your book, Judy spent more time in the library. Okay? So the duration of time is 2 hours and 35 minutes. Alright, so for today's worksheet, in Math 3, please go to your workbook at page 99 and 100. Okay? 2 pages, 99 and 100. Alright? Here, letter E, the whole letter. Yeah, that's letter E, problems 1 to 4. Okay? Letter E, problems 1 to 4. Answer the questions. Read, you apply the steps in solving word problems. Read the problems carefully, understand, and please show your working, just like what we did here. Right? Show your working and write down here your sentence, your answer in sentence. Alright? So that's all for today's lesson in Math 3, comparing the duration of time. Okay?